I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an autoresponder for text messages on your iPhone. Well, hi everyone, and welcome to Pal to Tech. There may be times when you want your iPhone to automatically respond to all incoming text messages. In other words, you want to have that vacation or I'm out of the office auto response message like you normally do with email accounts. Now, while it's easy to set a vacation message for email, setting one up for text messages on an iPhone is a bit more involved. However, just follow along and you'll see how easy it is. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Shortcuts app. It looks like this. Now, if you don't have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone, go ahead and download it from the App Store. The app is made by Apple and it's free. Once you open up the Shortcuts app, go ahead and tap Automation. We'll be creating a brand new automation, so go ahead and tap New Automation and select Message. Now, if you only want your vacation message to go to specific people in your contacts, perhaps just work colleagues, you can choose them right here. However, they would all need to already be added to your contact list or address book on your phone. What we are going to do instead is set this up so that it will auto-respond to all text messages. Apple does not provide a simple or straightforward way to do this, so we're going to use a little trick. What you do is tap on Message Contains, and you're going to put a single space right here. Just press the space bar. Boom. Like that. Just one blank space and nothing more. And go ahead and change this to Run Immediately. Tap Next, and you'll see something called New Blank Automation. Tap on that. So what we're going to do is set up a few steps right here that the phone is going to step through every time it receives a new incoming text message. The first thing that we want the phone to do is actually pause for a few seconds. And the reason for that is we don't want any other wireless companies or messaging providers to think that we're not using some kind of special spam software to blast out a text message the second we receive one. So it's just overall a good idea. Give it a couple of seconds to wait before it does anything. We're going to do that right now. Tap on Search and type in wait. W-A-I. Oh, there it is right here. And there's two choices. Choose the one that just says wait. And right here you can say how long. I like to do 3 seconds. The next thing we're going to do is set up a little area where you can put in your actual message. Again, tap on Search and type in text. T-E. Oh, there it is right here. You see that? Go ahead and tap it. And right here is where you're going to put your message. Now, because it isn't as common to be using vacation messages for text replies, probably a good idea if you put, auto response in front of what you're going to write. That way they don't think it's you actually sending it. Something like auto reply and put it in all uppercase, just like this. When you're finished with your message, tap Done. And finally, we want to send this message that you've just composed to whoever just sent you an incoming text. Tap on Search, and you want to look for Send Message Action, which is right here. And there's two pieces of information that we need to give it. The first is what the message is, right? And it's already put that in. You see where it says text right there? That's like a placeholder for where you put the text just above it. Now, very important. You see where it says recipients right here? What you want to do is you want to press and hold it down. Don't tap it. Press and hold it down. Just like this. Watch. See that? And you'll get this menu right here. And what you're going to want to choose right here is Shortcut Input. That's it. You're all done. Go ahead and tap Done right here. And your automation is all set up. Does this really work? Well, I happen to have another phone right here. What I'm going to do is send a text message from this phone number to that one. I'll go ahead and send it right now. And there it is, incoming, and there's the reply. Now, when you're ready to turn it off, say you've come back from vacation, right? Tap the automation, and you see where it says Run Immediately? Change that to Don't Run. Tap Done. Now it's turned off. And what's great about this is that you can go back into it on your next vacation, right? And simply turn it back on by tapping this, Run Immediately, And you can easily edit whatever new message you want to have. You can change your message right in that box. A couple of things that you need to know. If the same person sends another text message right after they've received your auto reply, they're going to get another auto reply. Basically, your phone is now set to reply automatically to any incoming text that you get. Another thing that you should be aware of that's different than email autoresponders is that your phone must be on, okay? The screen doesn't have to be on. The phone itself can't be turned off. And that's because obviously the Shortcuts app is running in the background at all times when the phone's on and is monitoring for those incoming text messages. And the third thing you should know is that both the text message and the automation notifications appear. Now you can turn off the text messaging notifications so that you don't see those, and that will prevent any notifications from incoming messages. However, you will still see these notification banners right here. There is no way that I know of yet that can consistently and reliably turn them off. I showed you earlier how if you wanted to, you could only send these messages to people on your contacts list. Now I want to show you a really good option where you can tell your phone to only send the automated message between a specific time or a specific day or for a certain amount of time. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to go back to that vacation autoresponder that we had created earlier. Go ahead and tap on it. We're going to go right here in the actions. Go ahead and tap on search actions and type in if, I-F, and choose the if action. Now what you'll see added to your screen are 3 items. You see that 1, 2, 3 right here. You need to make a change. Go ahead and tap on text and then tap on clear variable. You want it to look just like this. So now go ahead and tap on condition and then select current date. And then where it says exactly, tap on that. And you're going to want to choose is between. You see that? Now we're going to put in our start date. Go ahead and tap the first date, and I'll choose tomorrow, and then choose the ending date. So now, if current date is between start date and end date, then do something. And the last and final thing you want to do is press and hold down on the action right here that actually sends the message. Just like this, press and hold. And what you can do is move it, drag it like this. You see that? You can move it anywhere you want. And we are going to want to put it between the first if and the otherwise. You see right here. Drop it. And that's all you have to do. Go ahead and tap done. There are a lot more options and things that you can do with this. I will leave that up to you to play with. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.